excited for today's craft time because we are going to make el autobús. Yeah! Let's take a look in the craft box to see what we can use. Got some markers, ooh, and a pencil, and some glue, construction paper. All right, we can put this down here. So I have yellow here. Oh look, buses have stop signs. And we can use black to make wheels and white for, I don't know, we can make windows with that. Where I'm from, buses are all kinds of colors. They're purple, they're white, they're rainbow color, and they have colorful lights and all kinds of artwork on them. I'll keep it yellow since we know what a yellow school bus looks like. But if you want to make a bus a different color, you can do that. We'll start off by tracing our bus. And now we can cut it out. Ah! Oh no! I forgot my scissors! Ah. That was easy. Now if you need help cutting out your bus, don't be afraid to ask a grown-up. There's our bus. Now we can cut out wheels. All right, we have 2 monster truck bus tires. This is awesome. El autobus goes round and round. El autobus goes round and round. Let's draw some windows for our bus. All right, and do you remember why we brought our red piece of paper? Yeah, for the stop sign. And we'll write it in Spanish. So the word for stop in Espanol is alto or alto. Now let's glue all the pieces together and we'll have our bus. We got everything glued down. So we'll take our marker and we'll write alto on the stop sign. And we'll also write el autobús on the side of our bus. So we know how to say bus in Spanish and we can practice it. Boom, 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 boom. Muy bien, what do you think, Teddy? Teddy likes our bus. I think I'll put that on my refrigerator. I guess until next time, we can put all our craft supplies away. Hola amigos, if you had fun, subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button below. Or you can watch more videos by clicking that button over there by Teddy. Teddy, how are you moving?